What's good in the hood, y'all? Nate the Great from Washington State, your card, connect, and memorabilia man. Seattle 206, stand up. And this is Hood Hobby. Right back in your grill with another video. As always, before we get started, like and subscribe, comment and share. YouTube, Hood Hobby 206, IG, Hood_Hobby, Facebook, Hood Hobbies. I'm taking it back, y'all. I'm throwing it back. Right now, I got Larry Bird and Earvin Magic Johnson. Let's get it. We're going to start off because the bird is the word. But Larry, none other. Larry Bird himself. Comment below. Let me know if you know about Larry Bird. The bird is the word. For sure. If you don't know about Larry Bird, you better look him up. Because I ain't trying to explain too much about greatness. Yiddy. One of the greatest basketball players of all time, no matter what position. Right here, Larry Bird. Beantown's finest. From French Lick, Indiana. Larry Bird. Comment below, let me know what you know about Larry Bird. Great player, great coach. Been in the front office. Damn near done it all. Hall of Famer, champion, one of the greatest careers of all time. Members only. Got some more. Ooh, not some more. We got 4. Because the bird is the word. The bird is the word. I remember watching games back in the day, watching Larry Bird play and to be the last shot, and I say, man, you better not let him get that ball, and he get that ball and hit that shot. Game over. Got 3 more of these. Should have had them all together. But just so you know, I ain't playing. Probably got more than that, but these are just the ones I know of. All these will be sent in to PSA. There's a new company, HGA, I'm thinking about checking out real hard. I like the way their case and their label is. Looking like they might be on the uprise. Larry Bird, y'all. Larry Bird. What you know about Larry Bird, if you know anything? Comment below. Let me know. If you got a favorite moment, something. What do you like a lot about Larry Bird, if you like him at all? Never was a Boston Celtics fan, but I give respect where respect is due. And Larry Bird deserves my respect as far as basketball is concerned. Get it? The bird is the word. Ended off with a little collegiate Larry Bird rookie style. Action packed. Hot cards. Now, here comes Earvin Magic Johnson. One of the greatest nicknames of all time. Top 3 for sure, as far as I'm concerned. For me, it goes Juice, Magic, and the Doctor. 3 coldest nicknames ever. All that Iron Mike and Air Jordan and Black Mamba, nah. Juice, Magic, and the Doctor. I'm just saying, if they call you Magic, if you was in the streets, if you was a doctor, lawyer, anything, and they called you Magic, you good. And everybody knows if you got the juice. You got the juice. And if a grown man walk up to you and say, "What's happening with you, doctor? What's up, doc?" Sign of respect. So, as far as them 3 nicknames, them is my top 3 in any sport. Magic. Comment below, let me know if you got a favorite Magic Johnson moment. I know you love the dimes, the fast breaks, behind the back passes and no looks. Who invented that? Magic Johnson. Maybe not invented it, but who made it look so easy? Who brought it to the NBA? Magic. Get it? Beautiful cards. Keeping up with the Magic theme. Oh, a bird snuck in. We'll let that sneak in, Larry. Snuck in on the back end, huh? We'll let you get that. We'll let you get that. Larry, you done snuck in. Back to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Magic Johnson. Got some more. What's in store? More. Magic Johnson. Beautiful cards. Sharp edges. Perfectly centered. Sharp corner, Smooth edges, perfectly centered. Top to bottom, left to right. Look at that. Front and back, beautiful. Beautiful. Now that's magic. Earvin Magic Johnson. Comment below, let me know which one is your favorite. Larry Bird, Magic Johnson. Keeping it hood. You know I'm rocking with Magic. All respect to Larry Bird. But I'm rocking with Magic. Get it? Magic Johnson, y'all. Still alive to this day. HIV survivor. What, almost 20 years? Woo. He made it through. He's making it through. Top it off, we got this is a classic right here with Magic. Julius Earvin. The real serious one has Bird here, but this is a nice one too. I really appreciate this card. It's a real nice card, real sharp, real great condition. This case has kept it real beautiful. Lucky to have a card like this. Cards like this, rather. Beautiful, beautiful. People search online all day to have some of these cards I got. I just go into storage, open it up, and bam, right there. As always, just a little something to hold you over until the next time. And it's your partner, Nate the Great. Peace.